Hi everybody, did you know that there's multiple ways that you can check for upcoming assignment and activity due dates here in Schoology? Let's review how. First of all, when you sign into Schoology, immediately on the right on your course dashboard, you'll see items that are overdue. And as you scroll down, items that are coming up and their due date and time. You can select these items and go right to them in their course at Schoology. Secondly, from your home screen course dashboard, you can visit the Schoology Calendar, which is right up here on the upper right portion of your screen. The calendar can be set up to be viewed different ways. By default, it's probably set up to the current month and all calendars, which represents all the different assignment due dates and assignments from all current classes. As you can see in this sample student account, today, these 2 assignments are due. Tomorrow, there are 3 assignments due. If you click and select an assignment from the calendar, a preview window will pop up with an overview of the description taken right from that assignment, and then you can select View Item to take you right there in Schoology. Calendars can be sorted. Let's say you really wanted to focus on upcoming math assignments. You could go to your calendar selection, check math, and then you'll only see upcoming and past math assignments. To go back to all assignments and all calendars, simply uncheck the items that you had selected here. Upcoming due dates can also be viewed in the individual courses. If this student goes to their Computers 7 course in Schoology, they'll see the upcoming assignments over here on the right. We can then select it and go directly to it in Schoology. Once again, we can also click on the calendar and it brings up the calendar of assignments and activities with their due dates for this particular class only. You can sort this by month, by the week, and even by the day. You can then toggle between days. Here, you can also switch between weeks or even months in this calendar view. Finally, if you performed this task in computers, you've probably synchronized your Schoology calendar onto your Google Calendar. This student here has their Schoology items shown in red. These are the same assignments that show up here on the Schoology calendar, but are now listed on the Google Calendar as well. So, between your Schoology calendar and your Google Calendar, you should have no problem keeping track of upcoming due dates for assignments, activities, and projects in your classes. If you have any questions, please contact any one of your teachers or the tech department.